What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs and welcome back to another video. So guys, I crashed the truck, man. RIP truck. Well, I'll show you guys in a bit once we get to Eric Vlog's house. Well, forgot to tell you, we're going out to Eric Vlog's house and we're gonna wash my truck. After that, we're gonna hit a truck meet, and after the truck meet, I'm gonna hit the library. You know why? Because I need to edit for you guys, man. Like, I have a video done that I need to post, and then I'm gonna edit this video and I'm gonna post it too, like a day after. I do not have Wi-Fi at my house currently, you know, so just trying to do the best I can to get you guys some footage. That's how it is. But right now, I'm gonna put some gas and then I'm gonna head over to Eric Vlog's house, get my truck ready for this meet. This is what happens when you join the tune live. The famous Eric Vlogs or what? What's up, bro?
How you been?
How you doing?
Pretty good, pretty good. Look
at that.
Here.
Slammed over there, bro.
I'm trying to go lower in the back.
I'm about to get a 6-inch flip kit, bro.
Like mine?
Yeah.
Mine.
So what I was telling you guys about on the way over here is I hit an 18-wheeler, bro. Come here, dude. I hit an 18-wheeler. Yeah, bro. Look, he fucked me up.
When, today?
Nah, it was 2 days ago. Look at that. I got a big old hole in the back of my truck on my bed. Look at this. I mean, he hit me, but it was my fault. I was trying to pass him because he was going slow, but then he went into my lane.
Yeah, bro,
fucked up.
Out here.
I mean, it's all I'm doing is engine work for now, so I'll take care of that later. You guys know. All right, I want to give a big congrats to this dude right here. 3,000 subscribers. Shout out to all of you guys that are on his channel and on mine. Big shout out to you guys. We love you guys.
Yeah, shout out to everybody.
So I filmed his truck a few months ago. If you guys want to go check it out, I'll leave the link down in the bio. Did a sick ass video of his truck, so go check it out. I love it. If you liked it too. I'll also leave a link to his channel. Let's get him to 4,000, guys. He's out here getting big. That's right.
I'm my truck right now. I just spray waxed it and like there was a whole bunch of dirt coming over.
Put him up for a wash, 50 bucks. But he's not mobile. This dude tallest, bro.
Huh? How tall are you?
5'8". Fuck my shit up. We're about to head out to the meet right now. Shout out to Eric Vlogs for washing my truck, getting it clean. That's right. Alright guys, so we're about to cruise to the truck zone meet. Got here, there's only a few trucks, so I guess the point of this meet was to get trucks together and go on a cruise to the truck zone meet. So that's what we're about to do right now. Let's go. Look at him over there vlogging and shit, bro.
Dude, you make my truck sound like a piece of shit, man.
Nah, dude.
Truck is
Mine's too graspy, bro. Huh? Mine's graspy. Turn it on.
Alright, let's go to the next spot.
Let's go. This truck in front of me is loud as fuck, bro. Louder than my truck, that's for sure.
You want to park?
Park closer.
The ones in the red?
Yeah.
The red truck?
Got Gordo Films in action over here? Hell yeah. You guys know who this is, man? I've had him on my windshield for like a fucking year already, bro. Let's go. Making it big out here, that's right. That's right.
So take out the drone.
Are you gonna take out the drone tonight?
That's right there.
That's what's up. You're good, bro. We'll do it next time.
Why are you free? It's kind of hard to go to a meeting.
There's bugs out here. The big Gordo Films.
Come on. Oh, she's calling.
Huh?
She's calling it in.
Well, Gordo Films is next to my truck. No fucking way.
Where?
Exclusive look. That's all you guys get to see. Oh, it smells like cat lips. You smell that? Yeah, it's just, what is it, 5-speed?
Jesus.
4-speed? Shout yourself out, bro.
Hey, what's up, bro? Follow me on Instagram, Alex Vargas90.
Alright, that's what's up.
Think my subscribers, man. Come on, dude.
Videos, bro.
Yeah, my videos are better.
No, bro,
You too, man.
Yeah, bro, I didn't do anything. We got a snitch. We got a snitch, guys. Shout out to one of my subscribers right here. Thanks, dude.
Did you
Show
meet your truck
yourself
today?
out, bro? Yeah, it's over there.
I gotta go check it out, homie. I got to.
We'll see
Especially
right now,
with the headers. I got to.
All right, bro.
Bro, they're bringing
That's it right there, bro.
You didn't say too far.
Alright, shout out to Alex right here.
What's good? Shout out to
Subscriber.
Chuck for the best videos, homie. You already know.
That's what's up. I love the support.
Leaving now? How you gonna leave me, bro?
Bro, I gotta go, bro. I gotta
Nah,
edit
shake my hand or what?
I gotta edit for all you guys, bro. I gotta go.
Yeah, he's gonna go edit. I'll edit till tomorrow, bro.
You want to do it for right?
But, nah, I'll probably stay up today. Nah, I gotta work tomorrow at 5 in the morning. God damn.
Damn, you crazy. Alright, shout out to you again, bro. Appreciate the support, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Appreciate the support from you too. See you guys later, man.
All right, pues.
On our way home. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Shout out to you guys that were at the meet and recognized me and our supporters. I appreciate you guys. You guys aren't subscribers, you guys are supporters. I appreciate you guys. Shout out to them. Check out their Instagrams, check out who they shouted out and all that. Also a big shout out to Eric Vlogs for washing my truck, and it was cool hanging out with you, bro. See you again soon. For all you guys that are subscribed, all you supporters, if you guys like me and Eric Vlogs collabing like that, put it down in the comments, leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I got more content coming up. I'm probably gonna post this video first before the one I already had edited, just because it's better content and I want to get something out for you guys since I haven't posted in about a week. Like I said, I've been having trouble with the internet and keeping it up. I guess we got rid of our cable and kept the internet, so something's going on. I don't know, but I won't go into much detail with it. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time. TCB, everybody.